Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 鶏とネギのうま塩炒め. It's very simple chicken and Japanese leek stir fry. Nothing difficult. Easy to find ingredients, easy procedure, and you get to eat delicious and nutritious meal. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this 鶏とネギのうま塩炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 Japanese leek or Chinese leek, 2 chicken thigh, 1 tablespoon each of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, sesame oil, mirin, and sake, 1 teaspoon each of garlic paste and potato starch or cornstarch, some salt and pepper, and black pepper if you like. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first, so leek. Cut the top off just a little bit because it's dried. Also, the bottom. Let's make it into thin diagonal slices, both the green part and the white part. Put in a bowl and set aside. And chicken. You can leave the skin on, but remove all these yellowish fat. It creates funny smell. Then into bite-sized pieces. Same for the other chicken. Use the tip of the knife to remove the fat. Okay, all the cutting is done. So let's make the seasoning mixture. Prepare 100 ml of water and add all these seasonings. Sake, mirin, the soup stock, sesame oil, garlic paste, potato starch, some salt and pepper, and black pepper. Give it a good mix until there is no lumpy starch left. Okay, it's time to get to the stir frying. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. The heat is medium. Let's cook the chicken first, with the skin side facing down. Skin side down. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the skin side is nicely browned. Try not to touch it too much. Once it's nicely browned, cook the other side. Looking good on both sides. So let's add the leek. Just keep cooking until the leek is nicely browned. Again, try not to touch it too much. You want to caramelize the leek. When you start to see nice burn here and there like this, turn the heat off and add the seasoning mixture. The starch is sinking at the bottom, so give it a good mix one last time. The heat is off. Give it a stir. Then heat back on and cook for a minute. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. More black pepper if you like. And 鶏とネギのうま塩炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The leek works as a sauce. It gives texture and so much flavor and umami to the dish, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏とネギのうま塩炒め is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. How about きゅうりとわかめのサラダ for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.